Thanks for taking the plunge and enrolling in the course. This course will benefit you in many ways. You will learn everything that you need to know about non-lethal or less lethal self-defense. We're going to talk about all the different products that we had mentioned before, pepper spray, stun guns, tasers. We're going to talk about impact weapons and how to use them as well, including demonstrations. So you can look forward to that in this course. But before we start, I want to go over why you should choose non-lethal self-defense versus lethal self-defense. For stun and run self-defense, our company motto is to stun and run. We want you to be able to stop your attacker, immobilize the threat, and run and get to safety. The reason we prefer this method of protection over using a firearm or a knife or some other type of weapon is mainly because self-defense is to stop the attacker and to get away. You don't want to potentially kill that person and have trauma, legal complications, or anything else. So that's really why we prefer that over a lethal means. This is going to be a class or even a topic that you won't find anywhere else, even on Udemy. Most other classes just deal in basic martial arts for self-defense, but we specifically talk about non-lethal products or self-defense products for use in your protection. So you've got a lot to look forward to in this class and other classes that we teach. So let's get started with the show.